Hello everyone, I am Dabi Pagantian, 19 years of age, a second-year civil engineering student at University of Mindanao. I came to know the Lord and have real relationship with Him way back 2024. My life before RW was full of traumas, worries, confusion, and I got depressed. I felt lost and full of anger that made me feel distant from God. I often carried pain silently and relied on my own strength instead of trusting Him completely. I was depressed kay wala na ko kasabot sa akong kinabuhi nga gusto ra nako ma-enjoy akong pagkabata o pagka-teenager pero nganong ingon ani akong ginaatubang. At young age, perhaps 10 years old, ako na nag-atiman sa akong manghod. Ang role sa isa ka mama, ako nagigampanan at early age. Gibilin mi sa akong mama na nanghid siya na mag-work sa Manila and wala ni balik sa mua for almost 10 years. I felt lost kay tungod katag kaayo akong family. Mingdako sad ko nga tanan responsibility sa mama is napasa sa akua. Tagaluto, tagalaba, atiman sa akong manghod, atiman sa balay, then eskwela. Nag-grow ko in a family na very religious gid kaayo, bound with laws, daghan og external righteousness. Then ilahang way of discipline is same with Spanish discipline. In a way nga dili ka gusto makit-an nila mo katawa ug muuban sa lalaki. Kailangan eskwela, balay, simbahan ra gyud. Akong panamit kailangan always formal and normal sa akong family nga bunalan kog kalayo and wire para lang gyud madisiplina og tarong. What is worse, they called me bakakon. The time giingnan nako akong pamilya nga naharas ko sa akong uncle. And because naglong kog mama's love, ming abot sa point nga attracted ko to same sex. Dili ko ma-attract sa lalaki because of my traumas. Nga magdugang ra sila sa kalisod sa akong kinabuhi. And na-enjoy sad nako nga ma-attract sa same sex kay lagi aron makasabot nimo, but didto nga point ming worst ang akong ginatubang nga struggles. Ming abot sa point nga nalagot ko sa Ginoo. Ingon pa ko, for the record Lord ha, nag-serve baya gyud ko nimo pero ni isa sa akong giampo wala gyud nimo gitubag. Nganong way nahitabo, isa na didto ang mabuo akong pamilya pag-usab. Tungod kay bugat na kaayo, wala na ko kabaloon sa buhaton. And yes, by that time, sige na kog huna-huna nga what if magpakamatay na lang ko para easy life. That was when I found me. He made me realize that what I truly needed was not just service, but a real and pure relationship with Him. Among many topics that being tackled, what impacted me the most was the revelation of the cross, because it reminded me of how great God's love is and how Jesus sacrificed Himself to save me, us. It opened my heart to realize that true peace and purpose can only be found in Him. Na-realize nako nga nakita sa Ginoo tanan kasakit, trauma o struggles. Giparealize sa Ginoo nga gihigugma o gidawat ko niya bisan broken akong past og pamilya. Na-realize pud nako nga ang tinuod nga gugma og comfort makita ra di ay sa Ginoo and my real identity. Pinaagi sa cross, gihil sa Ginoo akong kasakit, kalagot og suicidal thoughts og gi-reveal niya sa ako kung kinsa ko og unsa iyang purpose sa kuha. Na-learn sad nako nga mas importante ang tinuod nga relasyon sa Ginoo kaysa mag-serve lang sa iyaha. Now, I am in the process of following Christ, learning to trust God more in every situation. Dili man perfect akong pag-walk sa iyaha, but glory to glory ang akong kabag-uhan. I'm so happy gyud kay tungod by the grace of my Father, I overcome the pain and trauma from my past because God made me realize that He never left in all my struggles. The feeling of carrying everything alone because I learned to trust God and surrender my burdens to Him. Because according to Matthew 11:28-30, come to me all you who are weary and burdened, I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for my souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. My confusion and wrong identity are being restored because God changed my identity and reminded me that I am his daughter, a woman whom he loves and accepts. My anger, hopelessness, and suicidal thoughts are gone because God gave me peace, healing, and a new purpose in life. Because of my constant prayer, God finally answered nga ma-reunite among family. By the grace of God, my mama came home and mas ming improve ang gugma sa among pamilya. I overcome my brokenness through God's grace, and now I continue to walk closer with Him every day by joining discipleships, missions, and crucial part is I joined music ministry as part of praising His name for how good and faithful He is in my life. Right now, I experience the gospel of grace from glory to glory. I desire to be like Him by His nature. Overall, Restoration Weekend became the turning point of my life for the reason it was there that I truly encountered the real Father and experienced His transforming love. It opened my heart to the abundance of His grace and that of His love and kind of peace and joy that the world can never give. That is why I wholeheartedly encourage everyone to join Restoration Weekend. It is more than just an event good. It is an opportunity to encounter God personally, to be restored, and to discover the true peace, joy, and unconditional love that can only be found in Him. To God be all the glory. Shalom.